Hi guys, this is what you all been waiting for on the giveaway of the giveaway. The public loan giveaway, as you didn't see it, go right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to random.org. Mm, uh, hurry up! Mm, oh, So there are 569 people who entered. So let's click generate. Let's see 109. 109. It's Yoshi779. Congratulations. One more. And get the grand prize. Angry Bird Balloon. I know I didn't see a lot of people from this one going random.org generate 206. 265. Gone 265. Rosa Pansino. Congratulations. And what? Don't forget to put your address down below. And don't ask it, and don't put your address without asking it to the subscribe button on the top. Hi. Congratulations.